want me to start doing what now? Action! Hello everyone, my name is Anna, I'm a product manager at Cludo, and today I would love to share with you an exciting feature that we have just released. It's called Experience Builder, and it's a very cool tool that allows you in a visual way to create different search experiences. The first release allows you to create an Cludo assistant, either the one with traditional search, with the AI chat, or even a combination, and you can do it without using any code, just using the visuals within our Cludo platform. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna create together an AI chat experience. So let's go. Within Cludo, you need to find Experience Builder in the navigation. After you click on it, you're gonna get to this page where you can create a search experience. Here we choose Cludo Assistant, and we can choose from 3 different types, either traditional search, AI chat, or the combination of both. We're gonna go with AI chat, and we're gonna call it a Cludo bot. And now we are going to the visual designer. Here you can see several different parts. On the right side, we have different configuration options. On the right side, you can see the live preview that you can interact with. And on the top, you can see different steps that we're gonna be going from. So we are starting with general style, and general style will help you to style the overall look of the assistant. You can, for example, change the name, could be to Cludo bot. And we could also upload an icon and change the color to something more Cludo-like. So let's go with some purple here. Amazing. And you can see that you can also change the button structure. You could add icon to the button itself. You could also change the name of the button, for example, again, Cludo bot, and set up different colors. Let's do the different purple here as well. More of a pink. And we can also add something called shortcuts. Shortcuts are those static links that always gonna be on the side of your chatbot, and you can use them for promoting different content. So for example, here we could add a Cludo website, and that way we can make sure that everyone who sees the chatbot will be able to always go straight to the Cludo website. And you could add a lot more shortcuts if you want. So now we are moving to the AI chat section, and this section has everything to do with how our chat is set up. So you can change the language, but you can also change the style of the text input fields. You could change the placeholder text and different colors if you want. You could also add the voice search. We can change and personalize the different avatars we are using, and we can also change the greeting text and so on. So maybe here I can show you how it works, so you can fully interact with it. You could, for example, ask what is crawler, and you can see that you're gonna get an answer, and you can play with it. So for example, you could just change find out more to more, and with that in mind, you can see the change already here. So after we are done with this section, we can move to the next one, which is AI chat feedback. And this is a really cool feature that allows you to gather feedback after every answer that you provide. So for example, we are fine with the question, was it helpful? And here, once someone chose an option that it was not helpful, we can add different answers. For example, missing information or wrong content. We can add the different comments and thank you messages. But just to show you here, we could ask a question, what is banner? And once we get an answer, we're gonna be able to see the feedback. Let's say that it was not helpful, so we can click on this button. We can say the content was wrong, and we can add the message, it was not about banners. And then once the user submitted, you're gonna be able to see it within the analytics, which is also really cool. Okay, so moving on from the AI feedback, you can also add something called popular pages or trending pages. This is gonna be like a content which lives under the shortcuts. And for example, you could choose popular pages, you could change it to popular now and choose to display 5 different pages. And this is something which you're gonna have on the site, and it's gonna be generated based on your analytics, which is also really cool. And after we are done with that, we can go to the summary page. Here you can, of course, see all the different options that you have set up, and if something is not right, you can always go back. And yeah, after the summary, there is an implementation part, and the implementation part is really, really simple. If that's the first experience that you created, you need to get this code snippet and add it to your Cludo solution code. But in case you already added this code, like in our case, then there is nothing you need to do. The only thing you need to do is just publish and exit. Then you can enable it, make it visible on your side, and the experience will automatically show on your side. And even cooler than that, let's say that we decided that we are more into purple than this pink. So we can just go change the color to like more purpley. And then we can click publish changes, and it will automatically add the changes to your solution. You don't need to touch the code, you don't need to do anything with the code. And yeah, let's go now and see how the experience looks on the live website. So now we are on the Cludo website, and in the right corner we can see Cludobot, and if we open it we can see our assistant. Now we can start by asking a question, for example, how can I increase conversions with search? And we should get an answer pretty fast. Now we can also provide it feedback with was it helpful? Yes, we're getting a thank you. And now you can also just take a look at our assistant. This is exactly how we designed it, with the shortcuts on the right side and popular pages. And if you want to edit it, you can just go back to our search experience builder and do any changes you want. We've been working very hard on this feature because we want all our Cludo customers to be able to edit and fully embrace their creativity without a single line of code and harnessing the newest AI technology. I really hope you're gonna get to try this new feature. And yeah, thank you for joining the video. See you soon.